All right, class, we're now at part 3 of our uh, science session for paper 2. Okay, let's go now to the next page on page 68. Okay, class, before we start, how's my voice? How's my video? Is it lagging?
No.
Not really.
Not really, huh?
Okay.
Okay, as long as you can hear me. Okay, good. Okay, class, we're now at page 68, number 5. Figure 3 shows 4 different items placed in a basin. Water is slowly poured into basin. So we have here ping pong ball, cotton wool, marble, and a stone. So this is an experiment. So in number 1 question, which item will move up to the surface water? Anyone?
Ping pong
Ball.
Ball.
Pong ball.
Okay, ping pong ball. Why? Why ping pong ball? Oh, I forgot to share my screen. Whiteboard. Okay, let me share. Let me share.
It is made out of plastic.
Yes, it is made out of plastic. And inside the ball, there's also air inside. Okay, so that's why when you put a ping pong ball, usually it floats. Okay, are you following, class? Okay, okay, good. So 5 A. So answer is it only the ping pong ball?
Probably.
Are you sure?
The cotton wool also. Or
Will the cotton wool will move up? What do you
I
think?
don't think so.
No.
It won't because
Why?
it's the water.
Yes.
No, it won't
Like a
So this is tricky. Okay.
because it sucks the
Okay.
water.
Now, at first, when you put the water into the basin, at first the cotton wool will float. Tapi as time goes by, it will suck the water. Right?
water.
Yeah. So, class, I
Yes.
just want to make a clarification here. Huh? We just put dulu cotton wool. Tapi karang to be-absorb to. Okay? Okay, number 2. How do I mute? Okay, can I mute again? Okay, number 2. What do you think the ping pong ball is made of? Okay, just like Shafika said, it is made of plastic. Okay, very good. Easy, class, very easy. Okay, now, what happens? Okay, name the property of the item stays in water. Okay, when we say property, your choice is either is it floating or sinking? What is the answer? I'm sinking. Okay.
Okay. Sinking.
Okay. That's okay. Sinking. Not sinking.
Stone.
Sinking. Bukan yan eh, ha? Okay, letter B. Okay, so we have another experiment here. Look at the frying pan used for cooking food in figure 4. So we have vegetables here. Oh, masak ano ni? Iftar ni. Vegetables, and then we have a flame. So we have Q and P. So Q, what? Okay, let's see the questions. Name the materials that parts marked P and Q are made of. Part P is made of what? What is that handle made of? Huh? It can be made of plastic.
Metal.
Ceramic. Oh, bukan.
Yes. Class, it could be any non-metal. Wood. Jangan metal. Panas to. Kan?
Q ka. Q ka P.
We're talking about P.
Oh. Metal dito.
No, the handle of the pan. Kamu
The
ada pan?
handle is Q.
The handle is
Yes.
Q.
The handle is Q.
Okay, sorry.
Look
Sorry.
carefully. Look carefully.
Okay, thank you. Thank
So
you.
funny.
Thank you, Rizan. Look, okay, P. Sorry. Paring sudah teacher. But it is
Metal or
made of,
ceramic or
it is
Metal.
metal. Sorry, guys. Teacher pun paning sudah. Jangan bising ba? Ako paning ba kalau bising?
kanubat.
Boleh makanubat puasa. Okay, Q. Okay, Q is baruta made of apa? Boleh plastic.
Rubber plastic.
Wood.
Boleh wood. Boleh rubber. Or any non-metal. Okay. Paham, class? Okay, stop singing. I'm going to meet everyone.
You unmute us.
Okay. Okay, number 2. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm trying to, because I'm saving by this one. Okay, number 2, 1. Or, okay, test 2, 1. Okay, why are part P and part Q made of above materials? Okay, what's the reason for number 1? For P.
So that
Conductor.
P
so
is
that-
made of
out of
metal
and
because
it is a bad conductor.
no, is it a bad? Because it is a
No.
good.
Conductor.
Because it is a good. Mesti ada good. Good conductor of heat. Okay. Number 2. Come on, guys.
It's a bad conductor of heat.
Okay, Afik said because it's a good conductor of heat. Okay, thank you very much, Afik. Okay, so Q is made of. Okay, I just write here wood or plastic or non-metal because what? Not bad, huh? It's either good or poor because they are poor, not bad. Jadi jahat kalau bad. Okay. Conductor of heat. Okay, are you following? It's really easy. Okay? Okay, please copy. Okay. Who's making that weird noise? Plus, I get distracted if your microphone is noisy. You know how it's becoming noisy? Either you have an electric fan and then it's blowing too loud to your microphone, or either there's a background noise from the kitchen, kids crying, laughing, playing. Okay, so, okay, who did that? Class, do not spoil my whiteboard. Na, ilang kan? Sa pabuat ni. Never mind. Okay, let me continue. I don't want to waste time. I want to finish early as possible. Okay, we're on page 69. Okay, we just finished the last 2 pages, okay? Okay? Okay, Bismillah. Okay, number 6. It says here, study the diagram in figure 5 and answer all the questions that follow carefully. A. Look at the shadows of three girls with shadows, which shadow shows that it is close to noontime. Okay, so when we say noontime, what happens to our shadow? Okay, so what will be our explanation here? Which one is referring to noontime? Which one? Is it A, B, or C? Shadow A, B, or C? Again, kalau pagi, panjang. Kalau noontime, pendek kita punya shadow. Pasal very high sudah the sun. Kalau afternoon, sikit pendek. A, B, C, or D? So answer is shadow. Siapa? Shadow. Is it correct? Year 5 blue? Masih nada Jamal ano to si Jamal? Ako complain to his parents. Okay. Letter B. How does a shadow form? How does it form? Okay. Okay, I'll just write a simple answer. A shadow is formed behind an opaque object. Friends, do you remember what does it mean opaque? Ito niya, opaque, the light cannot pass through. So for example, yes, a shadow is formed behind an opaque object. Are you following? Okay, I hope so. Okay, letter C. Because we're just moving on, okay? I just want this class to be fast. When the sun is blocked by thick clouds, what will happen to the shadows of the girls? Kalau ada, what is clouds in...
There will be no shadows.
Okay, so, okay, the shadows, that's correct, Shafika. So I just want to use a better word. The shadow disappears. Okay, the shadow disappears, or you can write there will be no shadow, or you can write the shadow not totally ilang pulang. Ada to sikit ano shadow. So it could be also the shadow becomes lighter. Paham ka? What you understand what does it mean becomes lighter? Totally hindi ilang pulang. Okay? So letter D. Class, are you really following? I know this is one of the hardest part in science, the paper 2. Memang kaya pasal it's
Roy GB.
Okay, when sunlight passes through the glass prism, 7 colors always appear in the same order. Complete the table in the correct order of the colors. Okay, so number 1, apa?
Orange.
Roy GB ba? Roy GB, remember, orange.
Green.
Tapos?
Roy GB.
Number 2, Roy G. Green ka.
Green.
Green.
Okay, number 3.
Violet.
Pali. Blue, indigo,
Violet.
Roy GB. Okay.
Violet.
Violet.
Okay, abang.
Violet.
Violet.
Abang.
Abang.
Yes, perfect.
Okay. Ada chat to. Siapa chat ni? Okay, Violet. Thank you, Afik.
Afik.
Okay, I'm going to mute everyone because the addict is noisy already. Okay, let's go now to number 7. Figure 6 below is an electrical method of making a steel nail into a magnet. The covered wire is wrapped around the steel nail until there are about 20 loops. The steel nail has attracted some paper clips. Class, did you do this? Experiment already during year 5?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Pikir ko nada lagi. Ngapa nada selalu? Kasihan kamu nih. Okay. Bah, let's answer this one. Okay, state two other things that the steel nail will also be attract. Okay. So what is the answer here? State two other things that the steel nail will attract. Anyone? Anyone can help me? Year 6 blue?
Magnet. Salah.
Well, another magnet sini, ha? What is being attracted here? Memang lah, we have here the safety or the clips, paper clips. Kan? Lurus kan?
Yes.
Paper clips. What are your answers, year 6 blue? Anyone? Isul? Guys? Year 6 blue, masih ka ada? Siapa masih ada? Okay. Anyone? Year 6 blue? What are your answers? Okay. So it could be paper clips or safety pins. Paham class?
Yes.
It cannot be the, okay. Let's move on. Letter B. What happens if the covered wire is wrapped around the steel nail until there are about 40 loops? What happens? The magnetic force becomes stronger or weaker? The more the loops. Becomes stronger lah. Okay.
Oh, slower lah.
Stronger, not slower.
Oh, salah.
Are you following?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope so. I really hope so.
What is safety pins? Isn't it safety pins?
Yeah, that's supposed to be safety pins. Sorry for that. You just fix it, class. Sorry, I cannot anymore fix that. You know what's the answer. Okay, let's move on to letter C. Okay, what's the answer for letter C? What is another method of making a steel nail into a magnet? So if we have electrical method, we have the
Stroking method.
stroking
method.
method. Aku tanya nih si Jamal, ha? Boring, ha? Aku tanya kalau buat niya ni semua. Kalau tahu niya semua jawapan sini. Pandai-pandai cakap. Boring. Okay. Okay, which part of a magnet has the strongest pull? Which part of the magnet has the strongest pull? So, class, anyone who can answer this one? This one you have to explain. Anyone? Izul, you have an answer? Afik? Anyone, guys? From year 6 blue? You have an answer? For letter D. Come on, help me out.
The north.
Okay, class, the answer here is simple. Okay, the strongest pull, if you remember year 5 lesson.
The north.
Okay, the strongest pulls are where?
The middle.
Are at the north.
Pole.
Not only north and south poles, right? While where's the weakest magnetic force? The middle is weaker. Okay. Are you following?
Yes.
Yes. That is the answer.
Yes.
Please remember. Okay. Okay, class. Let's go now to the last page. Okay, did you copy everything?
Yeah.
Okay, can I clear everything now?
Yes.
Someone should have copy.
Yes.
Okay. I know you're a little bit tired. Class, sikit sacrifice. I know this is the hardest part. Okay, that's why we're doing this properly. Okay, last one.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, bismillah. Bismillah lagi. Kuwat lagi.
Bismillah.
Mas banyak bismillah supaya Allah bagi ano ba.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, figure 7 below shows some pictures of a country hit by a tsunami. Write 4 effects of this natural disaster to the environment. Okay, now class, I know the photos here are not clear, but I just want you to imagine the tsunami, the flood, and the disaster, the damage that has been done. Okay, now let's describe. Let's answer together. Okay, class. Last day, focus. Letter 8A. Okay, share. Let's share. Okay, I will share supaya what you call this, fast, sanang. Okay. Changes the landscape. Effects of tsunami niya, changes the landscape. Plus imagine kalau kamu punya PSR like this, memang changes the landscape, uproots. Okay. Panjang nih I want you to copy everything. Uproots tree. Uproots tree, apa artinya uproots tree? It means
Rootnya di atas.
No, it's pulling the tree, okay? Or plants and destroys animal habitats. That one I don't have to explain. That one is self-explanatory, okay? That is for number 1. Class, we're describing banyak nih. You have to memorize this. Okay, what next? Disasters, debris. You know what's debris? Debris ni macam small, anything that was broken, yung small pieces. That one. That may contain hazardous. What does it mean, hazardous? Hazardous means dangerous materials like what? Materials and toxic substances. Kan? Jamal, mana tahu ni Jamal? Jamal. Hindi ikot, boring niya. Number 3, contamination. You know why? Because Jamal is, I don't want to talk about him. I'll just talk to his parents. Okay, radiation damage to nuclear. I hope year 6 Blue you're also trying to copy. I know you have already your answers, but please, okay? Okay, let me explain number 3. Contamination means bechampur, some bad substances. Okay, so it could be poison, I think radiation coming. It's also a toxic, what do you call this, substance coming from nuclear plants. Plants ni bukan ni it's not a plant, no. Plant ni macam like a factory. Do you understand? Radiation from damage to nuclear plant. So in Brunei, you don't have a nuclear plant. We have a nuclear plant in Japan, in Iran, in America. Okay, nuclear plants, this is the one giving electricity. Right, Rizan? In Brunei, you're using oil and gas to produce your electricity. Understand? Okay, ba, sige tinggal lagi. Letter B, last one ni. Ba, letter B. Come on, guys. All right. So let me read. Use the words given in the boxes to name the human activities and natural disasters that change the environment. Okay, number 1. Who can help me out?
Me.
Okay.
Aba, you want the answer? Or what?
Yeah, you read first.
Bushfire.
Yeah, read with the answer.
Bushfire causes the extinction
Please don't do that. Who's
of
doing that?
animals and plants in the forest. Bushfire.
Whoever did that, can you please erase that?
Siya bubuhat to. So, why? Oh.
Are you happy now? Wait, let me save. Okay, I already fixed it. Okay, bushfires. Kalau kamu boring, drawing on your face ba? Jangan sini ba? Kalau kamu boring, tutup, zoom, tidur. Okay? I don't like students who are not serious. Okay? Bushfire. Okay, next. Number 2, Rizan.
Soil erosion causes landslide.
Okay, soil erosion causes landslide. Erosion. Okay, number 3, Amir, are you still there? Let me see siapa yang ada sini. Amir, are you still there? Yeah, what should be the answer here?
Earthquake.
Okay, read the complete sentence.
Buildings.
Okay, earthquake. Plus, it's very easy. Earthquake damages the roads and buildings. Okay, number 4, can I call anyone from year 6 blue? Kenapa nih semut bertutup camera? Hey, everyone, turn on your cameras. Turn on, turn on, turn on. You're sleeping, huh? Turn on. Nadra. Number 4. Nadra. Okay, we have 10 minutes. I will not call this again. This one will be the last one. Come on. What's the answer here? Burning?
Rubbish.
Okay, burning, rubbish. Yeah, that's the obvious answer. That's the only one left. So burning rubbish causes air pollution. Hey class, are you following?
Yes.
Control. Okay, I hope so. I hope so, inshallah. Okay, class. Okay, we're now at the last question. Alhamdulillah. Letter C. You know, class, if you
Alhamdulillah.
feel tired, I also feel more tired because I'm just talking here. You're not talking too much. You're just sitting and watching. If you feel bored, it's not my problem, okay? Okay, last question. How can we help to save the animals such as the proboscis monkey from losing their habitats because of deforestation? Okay, class, if you know what's a proboscis monkey, it's the monkey that you can find in Sarawak with the long nose, that has a
The
funny
big note,
nose.
the
Yeah.
big note monkey.
Bring them to the zoo.
Okay, everyone, come on. What should be the best answer here?
Create a house that full of
Banyak the answer, ha? Okay, I want everyone to copy, okay? But I'll write everything because we only have 8 minutes. I don't want to waste time. Okay. I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'll write 6 reasons, okay? Copy everything. Reduce, reuse, recycle. These are the things that we can do. Recycle. Ani Jamal, when he was absent, ano yung important ba? Yung banyak answer ba? Okay, use. Okay, watch Naruto. Ako lihat kalau ada Naruto in PSR. Okay. Use environmentally friendly materials, products, and processes. Just write it down, class. Important, you know the correct answers, okay? You know, class, kalau kamu punya PSR buku bagus, jawapan lurus, kalau kamu ada adik, cousin, boleh kamu tolong ba ajar? Wah, you see? Hindi na banyak salah-salah, kan? Mostly of your answers are correct. Okay? Okay, dispose, waste properly. Allah, I'm tired already. If you're feeling tired, I feel 10 times more tired. Okay? Nasa nang naipuwas ano ba? Use renewable. Plus, what are you writing here? Again, I'm reminding you, what are the things that we can do to help the animals, right? 5. That's why banyak ni. Banyak answer niya sa pananay. Boleh po lang pili 1, 2, 3. Tapi better you write everything. Reforestation. What is reforestation? Ano yung tabalik? Tabalik of deforestation meaning planting more plants and trees. Okay? And last one, alhamdulillah, that will be protect wildlife. So how do you protect wildlife? No hunting, jangan ano, don't hunt them, don't kill them. Okay. So class, let me save that. Okay, did everyone copy? Please tell me
Yes.
if you're done.
Yes.
Okay.
Done. I'm done.
Okay. Please also write in the chat box if you're done, so I will stop sharing. So we
Done.
have exactly 5 minutes left. So class. Okay, I'll be turning off this. Yes. Done semua?
Yeah, probably.
Done, huh? Okay. So I will now stop sharing. Banda na, semua done, ha? Jangan malu kalau balong.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, now I'm going to check now attendance. I'm going now to stop sharing.
Ika.
Okay, attendance time.
Attendance check.
Attendance check. Ba. Okay, ba. Okay na, ba.
Sabar,
Buka
sabar.
camera. Buka camera. Wow, we have 20 today. Wow. Okay, ready 1, 2. Ajapa. Sorry. I know. wait. Sorry. Wow. Ready 1, 2, 3. Smile. Farina, Maurice. You don't want to turn on your cameras? Ready 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, peace sign. Ready 1, 2. Please. Okay, last one, I will print screen. Ready 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. So class, I will stop now recording. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.